Well, howdy there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a very nice song from a gentleman called Jeff Tweedy. The song's called Evergreen and I'm in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. Puts us into the same key that Jeff Tweedy performs this song in. Going to go through the intro, verse 1 and chorus 1. Okay, break it all down, show you how I played it, and you will be good to go for the whole song. There's another verse and another chorus to follow, and they played in exactly the same manner. Okay, singing as usual for reference purposes only. So here we go. I get back wherever I travel, tell you what I see. Good and bad and the hearts that hassle, cities under sea. And I'll tell you all about where I've been, and I won't ever leave again. Think it's a lie, but I say I'm going to ride. But if I break, I ain't filling you in. Will that change your mind? Evergreen, evergreen, have you ever seen anything evergreen? It goes off into the 2nd verse and it does another chorus and it finishes. Okay, it's a nice simple song. Okay, so let's try and break it down for you. Right, so it starts off with a C chord, and what I'm doing with this intro is basically I'm playing the first from the root note, playing the sort of 5th, 4th and 3rd strings, then I'm going down and picking upwards on the top E string and the 2nd string together. Right, and then I'm hitting that 1st fret of the 2nd string, so it's right. Okay, got that. Then what you do is you play an F major 7th. Okay, so keeping that finger where it is, 1st fret, 2nd string, you play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string and fret the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Okay, and what you do is you add your pinky to the 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string, and so you strum the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with pinky on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Take pinky off, play the same strings again, and then try and hit that 2nd fret of the G string. Right, or just play that. Right, so 3rd fret 2nd string with pinky, 1st fret 2nd string and 3rd fret, 2nd fret 3rd string. That's right. Okay, so got that. So that's the first bit. Okay, right. And the second time you do it, you do the same sort of thing again. But you strum. You just this time instead of going, you just hit the up pick the top E string, so right, just that single note. Okay, so what you got, the first one is right, so, and the second one is okay, right. You put those two together, you just alternate, do the first one, then the second one, then the first one, then the second one. So something ends up something like this. then you go back to the C and just do the swinging bass bit on the C. Play root note, 3rd fret of the 5th string, and then move that finger up to the 3rd fret of the 6th string, the bottom E string. Have a couple of strums backwards and forwards with the swinging bass, okay? And after you've done that once or twice, depending on what you feel like, you come in with the singing, okay? So let's just do that intro again. So I'll do it slowly, okay? I get back from wherever I travel. Right, and during the verse, it's basically C, and you do that during just C, and then you do this F major 7th with the little pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, just like you do in the intro. So it's okay, so the first line is, if I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I've seen. Okay, just do that swinging bass on the C for once, okay? Seen, and then you do into the verse again. So from the beginning, if I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I've seen. Good and bad and the heart's a hassle, city that leaves sea. Okay, got that? So let's just go from the intro all the way through to that point, okay? So from the intro, I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I've seen. The good and bad and the heart's a hassle, where these cities under siege. And I tell you about where I have been. Right, and that's C. I tell you all a G about where I have D minor been. Stays there for a while. And right, so tell you all about where I have been. And our F bar chord won't ever G leave again. And then you do the first part of the intro again. And then a swinging bass. Then it goes into the second part of the first verse, if you like, which is exactly the same as the first bit. Okay, so just the C to the F with the little pinky moving around. Right. So let's just let's go from the beginning of the verse again. So if I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I've seen. Good and bad, the hearts and the hassle, city that under siege. And I tell you all about where I have been. I won't ever leave again. Now you may think it's a lie, I said going to ride, but if I break my pen filling you in, wouldn't that change your mind? Right, so that second half of the verse is after you've done won't ever leave again, it's a bit of a swinging bass on C. Okay, leave again, but do that once and then a swinging bass. And then it comes into the second part of the verse. Now you think it's a lie, I say I'm going to ride, but then just C, I break my G, pen filling you D minor, F, wouldn't that G change your mind? Right, so that does that little leady bit again. There goes Evergreen. That's D minor, Evergreen. Ever G, green. C. Have you E? There you go. Sorry, Evergreen. Evergreen. Have you ever even seen anything evergreen? So that's basically D minor, Evergreen, G, Evergreen. Have you C, Evergreen, Evergreen. Have you even seen F, anything G, Evergreen? Intro. Okay, there you have it. And that's it. It goes into the second verse and the second chorus played exactly the same way. Okay, so let's just go through the whole thing again very slowly. Okay, so intro, first verse and the first chorus coming up. Okay, so here we go. If I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I see, the good and the bad and the hearts and the hassle, words and cities on the sea. I'll tell you all about where I've been. I won't even leave again. Oh, sorry, no, I messed up there, sorry. Let's do the whole thing again. I should have done the intro bit there. Sorry, let's do that one again, from the beginning. If I get back from wherever I travel, tell you what I see, the good and the bad and the hearts and the hassle, cities on the sea. And I'll tell you all about where I've been, and I won't ever leave again. Now you may think it's a lie, nice and going to ride, but I thought I'd break my pain feeling you in. Wouldn't that change your mind? Evergreen, Evergreen, have you seen even anything evergreen? And then off into the next verse. Thank you very much for watching and listening to that. Hope that you like that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.